Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be taking a closer look at the Airtable API, an incredible powerful tool for developers. So let's dive right in. Now let's explore some of the key features and functionality of the Airtable API. First, you have the CRUD operation, CRUD, create, read, update, and delete. These operations allow you to manage records in your Airtable. Next, the API provides powerful filtering, sorting, and querying capabilities, enabling you to retrieve the exact data you need. Collaboration is a breeze with Airtable API. You can share your bases with others and set permissions for your secure collaborations. Integration possibilities are endless. You can connect Airtable with other tools and platforms to streamline your workflow. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. See you next time.